Okay, so now I've got a book set up in my setup area here. And now I want to run a consolidation. Okay, so I've made some inter-entity transactions. I've maybe used the inter-entity bill back feature, which we have a video on that as well, where when I generate an invoice to my inter-entity company or entity, it creates the AP bill on the other side automatically. So I've done some transactions. I've hit some due to, due froms. I've hit some inter-entity sales and inter-entity expense accounts. And now I want to run the consolidation feature. So it's as simple as coming over here to run consolidation. And it shows me what I've already done. So I've already done January, February, March. Okay. So just a couple tidbits on here. If you have already done March, you then made some more entries because you missed something in your month end, you can rerun the consolidation. Okay, so there is that process, even though you've already done it. Okay, so I could click here and I can hit consolidate, update consolidation with net changes, or I can delete and reconsolidate. Okay, so I'm going to hit consolidate now, and now I've reran the March. So it really is that quick. If you don't have a lot of transactions or a lot of entities, it really can be a very quick process to run inside this run consolidation screen here. So I'll just do another one. I'll do April. And it shows me I'm successful. So let's go now, once I've run this, let's go look at the balance sheet, a consolidating balance sheet that you will run in your financial reporting area here. When you buy domestic consolidation, this menu will look like this. So I'm going to come in here to financial reports and notice it's only my consolidated financial reports. So these truly are, I think I edited this and blew out the entities. So this truly is a consolidating balance sheet. So I'll show that in a second. In a consolidating profit and loss. You can also collapse it, so it's consolidated. Okay. But I'm going to pick the period one of the periods I already have consolidated, and I'm reporting on the consolidation book. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK here. Okay, so what I have done, if you remember, I picked Timberline Development and Timberline GC for my entities. I have more entities than that listed here as well, but I did not include that in the specific consolidation book. These are the locations underneath Timberline GC. Timberline Development doesn't have any. Timberline GC has these, and then it totals over here with your totals. Okay. So basically, with my elimination entity, I had put a Z here because I'm grouping or I'm sorting the name up here in order. So I want my elimination entity to show as the second to last column before all locations. Okay, so just a little tidbit there. So basically with your elimination entity, I'm going to blow up intercompany receivable and intercompany payable. And you can see the due to, due froms that it eliminated out so that the total is 0. So it's kept my due from Timberline GC and my Timberline Development column, and it's kept my due from Timberline Development and my Timberline GC column. Same down here. Okay. So basically what the run consolidation feature does is it eliminates out those accounts that I set up in the book that I told it to eliminate. So it purely eliminated these 4 accounts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's a total 0. So it's as easy as that. There are, setup questions you're probably going to have, if you have multiple roll-ups to multiple entities, multiple levels, if you've got a more advanced consolidation structure, if you've got changing ownership, if you've got something pretty complex to discuss, and if you need to talk to us beyond this, please reach out. That's what we're here for. We're here to help. But if you have pretty simple pretty simple setup, maybe 5 entities, and you have some inter-entity transactions, you watch our videos, you should be able to get this set up decently. But again, please reach out or join our everyday Q&As, and we would be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much.